The market is changing a lot. We see a lot of improvement in the market. We see a lot of new technologies, and we have to follow for the new technologies. So we are creating new equipment to be at pace of these new technologies. I'm referring to flexographic, gravure, digital, and the combination of that. So we see a lot of changes also in how the customers are requiring new equipment for controlling these new technologies. And especially for grafiKontrol, we are specialized in quality controls. So we have all kind of equipment to control the quality, and not only the quality, but to track the defects of during the printing process, during lamination, until the final finishing stage. We see a lot of, especially on the label markets, a lot of combination between gravure, flexo, offset, and digital. And this is a big challenge for us because it allowed us to also learn and improve technologies for controlling this kind of mix printing, a blend of printing technologies. Well, as I said before, we have equipment for every process in the converting industry. So we start from mainly specialized for quality controls. So we start from extrusion. So we have 100% inspection for extrusion lines. Then we move to the printing. We have area cameras for 100% inspection dedicated for the printing segment for gravure, flexo, offset, and digital. And then we have also equipment dedicated to control the coating. So this is kind of unique. This is one of the news we present at this show, is the 100% equipment to control the coating on the opposite side of the printing. Then another product that is kind of unique in this market, and we see a lot of requests lately, is the tracking the defect. So we have a unique system that is able to pair the defect with a coding system developed by grafiKontrol in order to remove the defect on the final stage, which is normally the slit and rewinder process. And this is a very precise equipment that allows to increase efficiency to the process, because allows to increase speed to the machines and reduce the time to remove the defects by the operator. Our equipment are mainly dedicated to avoid producing waste. Starting from our register control systems during the printing process, this equipment allowed to reduce as much as possible the waste during make ready or during the normal run or roll splices. So this is just the first one. And then if we move to the quality control or inspection equipment, all these equipment are dedicated to avoid producing product with waste, or if for some reason we are printing or laminating with some waste, we are able to remove the defect on a final stage. This has the double impact, warning the operator that the machine is acting in a proper way or producing waste, but more important is to avoid delivering a product with waste to a final customer who may claim to reprint or reproduce the same product, which produces more waste and energy consumption. Well, the challenge of grafiKontrol is to always develop more efficient, more performing equipment and with less expensive for the final customer. So our company that this year celebrates the 50th anniversary has been always with leaning to the technology, and so the new development are focused on develop equipment, more performing equipment at the less price and available for any printer on any segment. So this is the challenge. And also making equipment much easier to use for the operator, and who can be taught in very few days. So differently than in the past, when we needed a lot of time to train the operators. So efficiency, performance, cost reduction, and easy to use.